All right, guys, let me show you how to fix this here. If you're having this issue, put it on drain and spin. It's doing its sensing. Now it should go ahead and spin. That's the issue you're having. Let me show you how to fix that. All right, step one's going to be unplug the machine. This is a light plugged in. Unplug your machine, and then you're going to tilt it back so we can access the bottom. And I've got a work light. What you're going to need for this is you're going to need a 10 millimeter socket. And we got here a 9/16. And let me show you what the issue is down here. Okay, so we got to get this guard off. That's what you need the 10 millimeter socket for. There's 3 screws. This is the first one right here. Also, the service manual for your service technician is hiding right there. So in case you're trying to get to some error codes or anything like that. That's bolt number 2. And the third one is over here, and there's a little ground cable on it. So you want to make sure that when you put this back together, this little ground wire, if you can see it right here, gets put back in between the bolt and the frame here. Super important that you don't just leave that hanging out. Okay, so here's the issue. You can see here we've got a pulley, bolt, and then the pulley on the motor. And what's happening is this is spinning, but the tub's not spinning. So check this out. Take this off. See that there? This is completely stripped out. So if I grab the nut here, that's the motor shaft turning. You see this turning without the nut turning? This plastic here is completely stripped out. That's good to go. So now we're going to take that 9/16 here, swap out. Get the motor spinning on us. Okay, let's see if I can get this off here. Okay, and so what we've got is that's completely stripped out. And I'm going to flash, right now I'm going to flash the part number that you need up on the screen. So you can grab that part number and go to partsdoctor.com. You can try Amazon if you want. I'm leery of Amazon parts. Parts Doctor is OEM parts. It has to be this part number. Now there's another part number if you go on Amazon that you're going to find this one, not the same. I'll flash this one's part number up. It's cheaper, probably get to you faster. It will not work. This is too small. This diameter, it's a completely different piece for a different size shaft. It won't work. If you order this, you're going to be screwed. But you can see what it's supposed to look, the little ribs on the inside, versus this one's almost completely stripped clean. So I've ordered the part from Parts Doctor. It's going to be here 4 or 5 days. I've ordered from them before, and it's about 3 or 4 days. You know, if I order on a Monday, I'll have it on Friday. But yeah, so essentially get the new part in. We're going to reverse these steps, stick it back on there, put your belt back on, put the guard with the little ground wire back on. And that's it. You're done. So super easy, simple repair. Just got to replace the stripped out part.